everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now.
Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our World Tour series, we will traverse and illustrate the country known for its longest railway, second largest art museum in the world and is home to many billionaires. It's Russia. So watch till the end to experience this stunning journey. Paintings and stories on Russian rural art. It's been a long time now, friends. We are doing this world tour series and we are traveling together with many different places, countries, culture, their people, their daily life and everything through art, through Imagination Gallery. And today we have as we have already seen that we will take a tour to Russia and its rural villages. So let me just tell you that this is a contemporary art based on Russia's rural village life, where people are seen doing farming, gardening, doing daily chores, etc. So it's a different angle we are looking at rather than Russia's famous shiny lights, architecture, stunning views. Let's begin. My bosom buddies, first of all, let's talk about Russian art painting. Russian art and architecture remain a mystery to most outsiders, even as the country itself has opened up to the world. Knowing just a little about the evolution of Russian fine and applied arts and about the political movements that often drove them will make your trip less overwhelming and more eye-opening. Russian painting reached its heights in 14th and 15th centuries. It was the period of icon painting connected with the names of great masters Theophanes the Greek, Andrei Rublev and Dionysius. Rural genre painting in Russian art painting were especially powerful ways of depicting the life of the people. The genre was exemplified by Russian artists like Abraham Arkhipov. See his awesome colorist work visiting Russian Museum of St. Petersburg. Sergei Ivanov and his artwork of evocative on the road, the death of a migrant peasant, Nikolai, and his memorable artwork of the poor people collecting coal in an abandoned field. So these master painters and their paintings was like really amazing. When we talk about rural Russia, when we enter the rural Russia, it's just an amazing melancholic experience, There are just trees and trees and trees and no cars, and roads go on for thousands of miles in Russia. Rare buses reminds about remote Russian villagers that are invisible from the road, and about the Russian villages also who are not seen from the road. Small but nice with several large wooden houses located in the distance from each other. People in the villages respect their own private space, and fortunately there is so much space in Russia that it's not difficult to have it. The grass feels great in the summer. There are flourishing little gardens inside almost every home there. Branches of trees, pops of grasses and flowers and vegetable patches, everything is there. Russia's small towns and villages are characterized by kremlins, churches and monasteries tucked between hills, sitting in unending plains of grass, sleeping next to a river, and all of them distinctly Russian. Russia is a country spanning Eastern Europe and Northern Asia. It is the largest country in the world, and Russia is a great power and is considered a potential superpower. It is also home to the 9th greatest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The Red Square is easily the most iconic national symbol of Russia and has been the stage of countless prominent events in Russian history. Set in the heart of Moscow, the Red Square is framed by the mighty Kremlin and holds the GUM, Lenin's Mausoleum, and the State Historical Museum. Russia is the largest country in the world, as we know, can you imagine, it is bigger than Pluto. It covers an area of 17 million square kilometers, of which Siberia makes up to 77%. It stretches so far around the globe that Russia has 11 different time zones, and Russia has a population over 144 million of people. Wow! But there are so many special things about Russia other than just the land size. Here's a quick look. Of course, first come first, the first human in space. Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin flew into space and returned safely. That day changed history. There are so many natural wonders also in Russia, but the Siberian Lake of Baikal is probably the most famous one. It's the deepest lake in the world with unique flora and fauna and the biggest freshwater reservoir. Of course, Russian writers such as Leo Tolstoy, Anton, Vladimir, Fyodor. As for the books, Tolstoy's War and Peace, yes, it is an iconic novel. And we cannot forget the churches with the onion domes, like St. Basil's Cathedral in Moscow. And of course, the winter. Can we call sub-zero temperatures a signature of Russia? Yes, it is. Even those who have never been heard about the cold climate. The story of Soviet Union finished 30 years ago, but the legacy is still alive. Many people remember Soviet education, famous scientists, and of course Soviet leaders such as Joseph Stalin and Mikhail Gorbachev. The Moscow Kremlin, St. Petersburg Hermitage Museum, the wooden churches of the Russian north, as well as the historical architecture of Kazan and Vyborg were among the famous landmarks of Russia. And also, Russia is famous for ballet, composers, the longest railways, beautiful women, the Tetris game, the beautiful Matryoshka dolls, bears and babushakas, and Russian blue cats, and much more. My bosom buddies, we can undeniably say that Russia is one of the most fascinating countries to explore. It's precisely this diversity and element of the unexpected that appeals to the travelers eager to identify the true personality of this fascinating land. Spanning 8 time zone or 11 time zone, we can say, boasting a hugely variable climate, Russia is a country that is guaranteed to intrigue and amaze for all the right reasons. So our world tour series, as I say, will continue. We will continue to search the happiness and joy to share with you only. Let this be one family. Let's color the life with Imagination Gallery. Hope you liked and enjoyed today's expedition to Russia. Transmit your feedback and suggestion about our drawing session here in the comment box. So if you like our drawing session and you want to know about different paintings and the stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Here's wishing you an amazing week to start. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye.